What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you step by step on how to draw Barbie. Let's begin today's lesson at the top of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. We're going to start from the very top. I'm just going to come all the way down towards the bottom of our circle and then bend that back up towards the top. Now you want to leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So we're going to line up the top over on the right side and you want to bring that down towards the same height and then back up towards the top. Now I'm going to draw a smaller circle in the center of each eye. Let's start on the left. Go all the way around, just leaving an even spaced gap around the eye, and then draw the same size circle on the right. Now I'm going to draw a small circle along the top of the pupil for a highlight. And then we're going to fill the bottom of the pupils in black, going around that highlight. Now you want to give our character a thick lash along the outside. Let's start from the top of the left eye. We're going to step in. Just going to taper this so it gets thicker all the way around. Come down and then in towards the bottom. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going up, around the eye, and then bend that in. And fill that trim in black. Let's add some lashes along the side. Start from the top, and it's out and up. Step down, just add two more. And we'll do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to move in between the eyes and draw the bottom edge of the nose. Let's start back over on the left, bend this down, and then up. And I want to move up and draw a short curve going up and down across the bridge of the nose. Let's add in the mouth. Starting back over on the left, come down the middle, go across, and then up. And we'll add a bracket on the corners of the mouth. Let's go back over towards the left side, draw the bottom of the mouth, coming down, and then up. Let's draw the top row of teeth, add another curve, and we'll fill the bottom of the mouth in black. Let's go back to the center, step down just underneath the mouth, and add a curve for the lower lip. Now from here, we're going to go back up to the top and draw in the hair bangs. Let's start right in the middle, bend this across, down and then in towards the nose, bend this out, up, and in. Let's work our way towards the left. Along the side, come down and in towards the eye, go out, and then up. Go back to the center. I'm going to brush the hair coming down towards the right. Pull that back up towards the top. I'm going to curve this out and then down. Go out and up. Now I want to work the hair around the eyes. Let's start back over on the left. Come down. Go around the eye. Come down and bend that in. Let's go over towards the right and do the same thing. Coming down around the eye. And then bending that in towards the side. Now I want to add some layers going up towards the top of the head. Start back over on the left, go out, up, and bend that in. And then we're going to add another layer. Starting from the side, go out, pull this up toward the top of the head. Just going to round this out, and just pull that down towards the center point in the middle of the head. Go all the way up and around the right side, and we'll just tuck that in. Now just up above each eye, we're going to add a curve for the eyebrows. We're going to go in behind the hair. So we're going to start on the side, go up and then down, go up and behind, continue on the right. Now we're going to close off the bottom of the head. Let's connect these 2 points with a curve. Come down, just underneath the mouth, across, and then pull that up towards the right. Let's add the edge of the ears. We start on the side, bend this around, and then in. Let's give our character some large earrings. Just underneath the ear, we draw a circle, around, and then back line that up on the right side. Now along the bottom of the earlobes, we're going to draw a small circle. And we'll draw two lines coming down on the left and right side. Now come back and finish off the hair after you've drawn the body. Let's start underneath the head on either side. Start with a curve, coming down and then out. Then this out and then down towards the hips. Let's connect the hips with a curve, coming down the middle and then back up. Let's step up and draw that same curve across the top of the belt. Let's add a buckle in the center. We'll start from the top, add a circle, draw a smaller circle in the middle. Now let's draw the inside edge of the strap. On the top left, we're going to step in, then it's down, and then out to right about there on both sides. Close off the center with a curve. Now we're going to add in the necklace. Starting back over on the left, come down, and then up. Now in the middle, let's draw a circle, center, and move up and draw two more. One on the left, and then one on the right. Now let's go back to the hips and draw the outside of the skirt. From the left hip, angles down and then out with a straight line. And the same thing on the right. Let's connect the bottom with a curve. Down the middle, and then we'll bend that up. Let's go to the center, draw a straight line coming down in between the legs, and then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. From the middle, bend this down and then up towards the left. Go back to the center, come down and up towards the right. Now for the outside, we're going to draw the top of the foot. We're going to go up, and we want to bend this down, aiming towards the heel, and leave a gap on the inside. And then we'll go back up to the top, bend the leg, coming down and then in on top of the feet. Let's add a thick sole along the bottom of the feet. Just going to trace that curve along the top. And then draw the top of the shoe. Start from the outside of the foot, and it's in and then down. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw the inside edge of the arms. From these 2 points, bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. Let's go back to the left side and point the thumbs coming down. Start from the wrist, come down, and then bend that up. Now we're going to add 3 fingers on either side. Start from the outside of the thumb, then it's out and then down toward the tip of the finger. Round up the finger, go up and in. Now I want to layer 2 more fingers on either side. Let's start from the bottom, go out, and then up and in. Now the last finger, we're going to go out, just blend into the arm going up, and then just tuck that in underneath the head. And now with the body in place, let's go back and finish off the hair. We're going to start from the top of the ear, come down and out, round up the hair, and then pull that in towards the side of the arm. I'm just going to mirror that over on the right side. Now I want to continue that curve along the inside of the arm going towards the body. Now at this stage, you can accessorize your character any way you like. I'm going to add a pearl bracelet on the right side. Starting from the wrist, draw a small circle. I'm just going to work our way towards the outside, adding those same size circles. And now we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Barbie. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.